Hey guys, Phantom here, and I just got my package, the Japanese Mega Metagross EX box, and I got this epic sticker thingy with it. Probably put this in the background of everything. That's for later though. But yeah, so if you guys wait, I'm gonna open this. I didn't want to ruin it before. Okay. It opens better than I think it will. Because I want to get on the food. Okay, well, yeah, that sucks. This is not gonna open. Nope. Unless I just poke this razor through. That's not gonna happen. I don't want to ruin this box. Honestly, I'm not sure how. Okay, well, this box is not going to survive. Because I am horrible. Seriously? There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. The new back. Well, not new, but there's the Japanese back, so the cards. There's the back. Oh no. No! Yeah, I don't want to mess this up yet. Sorry, guys. So, you guys can see the destruction. So, this is Metagross. Wait. No, that's Metagross EX. Shiny. Secret rare. But combo, so I can't use them. This is the Japanese. I don't know why it's in English, because secret rare would be Japanese and Japanese. But yeah, Metagross EX. And this is the Torchic. I don't know why it's promo, because you can get this. Yeah, you can get this. So, sorry guys, I'm sick. There are the packs. Hopefully we can get some really good packs, because I am not feeling too good. So, if I don't pull at least one, yeah, I'll be so mad. It's only 6 packs. Okay, now let's put this destruction away. Sorry guys for the black screen. You might want to go somewhere else where it's not the black screen. So yeah, these are the packs. I'm not sure how I'm going to record this because I didn't plan this out. Yeah. So, doing this video, I forgot how to open these so that rare card or ultra rare or secret rare is in the back. So I'll be right back. Again, you might want to skip this. Seriously? Come on, Groudon, don't do this. isn't any of these cards like doing this. Okay. Oh yeah. Here we go. Did I see an EX? No, I didn't. Balloon, Slugma, Ancient Trade. Not sure what these. The heck? Okay, well, yeah, we got nothing good. Okay, let's go on to the next pack. That sucks. Let's go for a Kyogre pack now. So, Seadra, oh yeah, sorry, I wasn't saying the Pokemon before. Morel, Starmie, forgot, which one? Is this Team Aqua? I think this is a Team Aqua. And nothing good. Okay then. Well, this is starting to be pretty horrible. I better get one of these, I swear. Okay, well, that was weird. Hopefully we can pull something good. What's this? Excadrill. Okay, I think this is the rare one. Okay, yeah. So at least we got something good. I mean, whatever. It's Ancient Trade. I think I said that. I'm not sure. It's hollow. I guess I'll take that. That is a rare guy. Okay, okay, just gotta shuffle them. There, Sphere, Tentacle, Dynamo. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Sharpedo EX! Sharpedo! Oh my, Swampert! Oh my god! Whoa, look at that. Just look at that. Oh my god. Whoa. Gotta put that in the rare part. It's horrible quality. Sorry guys. Please be something good. Looking at the cards. Okay. So Drillbur, Trico,